Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to learn about this Finance Commission. Actually, this is a continuation of GST because I already told that after collection, what will happen? After collection, that amount cannot be completely used by the union. They have to share it with states because they don't have proper resources to complete their things in the state, right? So they need proper finance from union government, right? How this happens? It actually happens with the help of finance commission. It it gives some recommendation what kind of resources need to be given to the state, how much amount of the tax collected except cess and surcharge need to be shared with states. That is what we will be learning today. Okay, that is what your class is. First, how it is present in our constitution. See, what does this finance commission do? Seventh schedule assigns responsibility to the states, but their taxation power is relatively lower, right? Because you know, right? Who collects income tax? Who collects corporate tax? All is done by union. Then what is left with states? This profession, agriculture tax. But for popularity, what the states will do? They will not collect agriculture tax. And what is left? Stamp duty, registration, registration of land, vehicles, right? Through through that minute amount, states can't run their governments, right? So they need help from union. For that, finance commission plays a key role in transferring union revenue resources to the state. Okay, in which article this is present? This is present in article 280. Remember, friends, finance commission is a constitutional body. Okay, constitutional body. Fine, that is what. President of India forms a finance commission every fifth year. Means every 5 years, finance commission is formed. Okay, what does this president do? He will inform for formation of finance commission. He will be giving some terms of reference. Terms of reference. Okay, in these terms of reference, what will be there? There will be the inputs. How this finance commission should be. What things need to be accommodated in this thing, like what circumstances. So what happened in 2019? There was a revocation of 370, right, article. To what happened? There was a change in states, right? States converted into union territories. In that states need proper resources. These kind of references are terms of references are given to finance commission. Okay, they will be including that things. Even position, what India is aiming. India is aiming at India vision, right? 75 years are coming for our independence. In that, these kind of things are accommodated. All these things are given to finance commission to prepare a report. Okay, next. See, this is the way how it enters to parliament. First, this is K Singh, okay, who is the chairman present. Okay, K Singh prepares the finance commission report. Okay, after that he present it to president, and president will present it on the table of parliament. Okay, this is the thing. This is the thing. This is how report goes into parliament. It doesn't go to the central government. Remember this thing. It will go to where? Parliament. Okay, that is what we have to remember. Okay. See, recently we have completed that year, right? 5 years finance report prepared by YV Reddy. So there need to be new finance commission. So president has formed a new commission, and who is the chairman? That is K Singh. Here they are showing just a picture, but it is not given to central government. But it is first placed before the president. Then after president will place before in parliament. Okay. There were two reports actually. This is a abnormal thing, okay? Never happened, because government asked that is president asked finance commission to prepare two reports, and one was from April 20, that is April 2020 to 31st March, that is this year, got completed, and from new financial year for 5 years this second report is being used. That is the reason I have made this video. This is in news, right? Next, what does this finance commission do? Okay, first, this is union will get all the taxes, most of the taxes, not all the taxes, most of the taxes. That will be direct like what? Income, corporation, right? All those things will be going into union account, right? So this union have to share its pie with states, right? It has to share with this states. So how it will do? Okay, first, on the recommendation of finance commission, it will vertically devaluate its shares. Okay, share of tax. Okay, this year finance commission has decided that central government should be sharing 41% of its income, that is taxes, with states. So how it is happening? It is percolating from top, right, like this, to states. So this thing is called vertical devolution. Okay, from union, vertical devolution. Fine. See, vertical devolution of taxes of union to state. It has recommended maintaining the vertical devolution of 41%. Actually, this got reduced by 1%, because before YV Reddy has recommended for government to give this much. See, around 42% YV Reddy has proposed to allocate. Okay, but now this got reduced by 1%. Okay, remember this 41% can be a potential thing in any exam. Okay, we have received lump amount from union. Then how it will be divided among states? That is what we call as horizontal devolution. Okay, so there are few things on which state will be getting their share. Okay, what are those things? See, it has suggested 12% weightage to demographic performance. Okay, you must be knowing the effort that states are making in doing better performance in their states. Okay, next, 45% to income, based on income. What are the, this is a scale. Okay, suppose they will be taking a base state like Haryana. With that, they will be comparing, means they have took this state because this was ideal to compare with all the states. Okay, like a scale, they will be measuring the income distance. Okay, income distance of other states, and with that they will be deciding what amount need to be shared with other states. Okay, next, 15% each to population and area. So bigger the population, larger the population, larger will be the share. Bigger the area, bigger will be the share. That is the main aim of this thing. Then who will be getting the thing? Most populated state in our India is UP. UP will be getting highest share on the basis of population, right? Next, then see, even maintaining, I mean, conservation efforts are being encouraged. See, they are getting some incentives on conservation efforts. So 10% to forest and ecology. Okay, 2.5% to tax and physical efforts. What is this? 2.5 tax efforts. So even I already told, even the state have some financial powers, right, for collecting taxes from their population, right? That is what this, uh, based on their effort, they are getting the share. That is how happening. Okay, see, this is the horizontal devolution. Why we Reddy has recommended. See, you need to compare this thing, okay? They will be asking you to differentiate. In options, they will be giving one thing and they will ask what NK Singh Finance Commission has recommended. See, here income distance was 50% and it got reduced to 45%. See how it got reduced 5%. Even for conservation efforts, incentives are being encouraged. See, 2.5% was increased in this forest and ecology. Even the same amount got maintained in area and population thing got reduced. Because why they are reducing this thing means so that states can influence their population to reduce, right? If what if population is high, before finance commissioners asked to give large shares, but they are not at all utilizing those shares. So what this NK Singh finance commission has done, it has reduced it. So by reducing it, there will be some kind of thing on that popular states like UP, Bihar, that they have to reduce their population and improve their demographic performance. Okay, that is the thing, main reason behind this thing. Even they introduced this tax effort which was not present in here, because they want to change the governance in the states, governance in the states by stressing on this, by how they are stressing through financer finances, through, because they will cripple the state governments by straining some stressing on these finances. This is how they are trying to bring a change. These are the shares. See, this is the share. Uttar Pradesh tops because population is a significant amount, right? Significant percent in that thing. Next, this is Bihar, MP. This is the thing. Remember this. Remember this thing. Okay. Next, revenue deficit. Suppose there are popular schemes in southern states, right? Like few states will coming up with providing laptops, TVs, grinders, so that what will happen, the revenue is very less when compared to expenditure, so there is a deficit in their thing. So in that kind of circumstances, finance commission has observed this thing, and to encourage, to compensate that thing, even it has recommended revenue deficit grades to the state. That is the meaning of this thing. Next, grades to local governments, that is panchayats, municipalities. Why? Because local governments doesn't have their own financial resources, right? Because even they have the taxes, but seeing at their fellow villagers, they won't collect. So in that aspect, even central government needs to allocate few fund to this local government. That is the main aim of finance commission. Fine, that is the thing. How much it is allocating? Around 4.3 lakh crores. Remember, that is the thing. This is the issue. Okay. So what is the issue with GST Council? It will be dealing with the shares of IGST and and fixing a few GST percentage. It will be dealing with this GST Council. That is the difference. Fine. Next, that is the thing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click the like button. All the best.